Interrupt the day programming about a lake. About a lake. Stay home. Stay hydrated. All residents in affected areas must stay home. Seattle, Washington, Phoenix, Arizona, McCully, Wisconsin, Detroit, Michigan, Albuquerque, New Mexico, New York, Denver, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Stay healthy. More information comes soon. Welcome back to the Villager News about the Red Lake update. Today, round in the United States of America is showing a Red Lake is coming back. Now, if any of you feel the need to our residents in the United States see this news. I invite you Monday, to take your gun, sunny. Put it in your mouth, Tuesday, sunny. Wednesday, sunny. Thursday, unbearable. Friday, unbearable. Saturday, sunny. Sunday, sunny. Thank you. This is a national emergency alert from the Russian government. All residents in Russia must listen carefully. Don't launch nukes because of a red lake. Leave Russia immediately until the red lake's over. Thank you very much. Stay safe.